boy. Oh, these, don't jump on her. That's not, don't jump on her, Parker.
Parker, come here, come here.
Parker, be nice. Uh-oh. Treat time, treat time. Up, there's Pants and Lucky and Lucy. Competition, competition. She's like, what? I'm so happy to be with my doggy friends. Liberty, they let me out. Oh, I like that guy. I like his ears. They're good to pull. He doesn't seem to care that she like reaches in to grab an ear. Okay, let's be nice, Parker. Let's be nice. Let's be nice. Maybe I should be saying, Lily, be nice to
Lily. Aww.
Oh, really, seriously, the ear.